my name is Dawn and this is my review of this 3-pack shower caddy corner system. I've already cleaned this corner, but I'm just going to wipe it down one more time to make sure it's dry. That is one thing the instructions said to make sure to do, and so that your surface is completely dry. The shelves are slightly different in size. One's just a little bit larger than the other. I'm going to put the first one about this level here and then the second one up here. Because we have tile, then I can really kind of use the grout lines as guidance. If I didn't have tile or write smaller tiles or penny tiles or something else, then they suggest either using like a marker or a wax pencil. Right, I've got a dry erase marker just to show you, and you would just simply mark a line under the bottom side where you want that shelf to be, just as a guide for where you're going to put those adhesive hooks. The adhesive hooks are going to eventually hook onto these center rails here. So you'll see when I put one up, that's essentially what we're eyeballing. Hand that off to you. Mm-hmm. And we'll peel off the back side of one of these. Okay. All right, so again, I'm lucky enough to have tile that I'm just going to use to line this up. Make sure you've got your hooks facing upward. That'd be a mess to try to redo, because these are very sticky. It does say make sure you press down around the hooks itself. Second adhesive strip, and we'll pop this first shelf into place. So yeah, just give it a little shove and it's installed. That's simple. All right, let's take care of the second one. All right, let's pop that one in. Different items, some shampoo, some shave cream. You have different soap containers. I made sure that I spaced these out enough that I had plenty of room even for a large bottle. I've got a soap caddy as well. Okay. So again, you've got actually 10 hooks here. So this would be, you could hang a washcloth, you could hang, I've got a shower puff back here, your razors, things of that sort. So lots of flexibility with the product in that regard. Definitely enough space for multiple people to be able to utilize this for their products. And yeah, seems like super easy install. Gonna be happy with this, so we're our guests. So definitely recommend. Thanks so much for watching.